Like, me don't know what plays.
It's not even play, it's record.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Euganie, aka Pretty Sushi. And this is a Popeyes Mukbang. And yes, I'm giving you it with my English accent.
It's terrible.
What English?
You sound like the guy from 90 Day Fiancé.
No, it doesn't. It sounds like a straight African. Alright, so I'm going to have these lovely ladies introduce themselves and then we're going to get started.
I'm Foxy Roxy.
And I'm Chloe from Chloe's Cupcake Corner.
None of these news.
Alright, so as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have lots and lots. Well, we've got lots of food. And the way we did this one to make it interesting is we are going to have it eaten with only the chopstick.
Chinese.
Bitch. Alright, like I was saying, if I was rudely interrupted, we're going to only use chopsticks to eat everything. Yay! Alright, so in the meantime, like I said, this is mukbang and chattings. So you already know what go already, we're gonna chat up all the shit. So I decided to go online and look for a couple of questions to ask. Never have I ever questions. So that's how we want to do this one. But before we start the questions, we're just going to get started eating first because I'm hungry. Alright bitches, let's get them.
You're your accent.
Yes, it is a good English accent.
That's not an accent, it's accent.
It is a good English accent. Alright ladies, let's go. Get your fucking, excuse my language, why is my chopsticks already broken?
They're not attached. Shit, you got everything on the table.
These are the cheap versions.
Obviously, I should get my good one then.
Nobody cares about that.
From my Okay guys, so we have chicken wings. Is this a mix still?
Yeah.
So you didn't just get all spicy like I said?
It is all spicy.
Oh, okay.
Mixed cube. This is the way you gotta do it.
Exactly.
And then we got French fries. We have biscuit them.
No, don't worry, we have
tough cracker them.
And we have today expired jelly. Oh, that's not what we have.
Oh. So what we got over there, Chloe? We already toasted.
So we have Cajun rice, mashed potatoes and gravy.
Bean and rice, my favorite.
Oh, that's beans and rice?
And beans.
Oh, I want some.
Coleslaw.
Alright, that's all. And then we got our sauces. We got sweet heat,
Black ranch, and tartar sauce for the shrimp. And in our box we have mixed pieces of chicken, we have butterfly shrimp, Cajun fries, and biscuits.
No, seriously, how are we gonna use the right?
You're gonna better figure it out, girl. Don't ask questions, figure it out. Like Tim Gunn says, figure it out. Ooh, let me try some of these beans and rice, girl. Ready for the first question?
Yeah.
Never have I ever had sex. My bad, shorty. Never have I ever had sex in an elevator. Chloe?
Never had sex in an elevator.
Never.
Why you come back to you guys?
Have you?
No. I just expected y'all to have sex in the elevator.
What?
I was just expecting y'all to have sex in the elevator.
Why? Why
I don't
us?
know, I just expected that.
Expect
Yes.
Chloe.
You expect me? Why you expect me?
I don't know.
The one in the free. Let me get my sweet heat sauce. That rice and beans, that look sketchy. Now go eat it the same way.
Of course you are. Because you're hungry.
Ready for the next question?
Mm-hmm. Do I have to eat my biscuit with the
Yeah.
Chopstick?
I think I'm gonna be eating. Excuse me, what are your hands doing on the
I was holding it up.
I don't know.
But I can't, I have to hold it up. from this.
I gotta keep my eyes on y'all hoes. Alright, guys. Next question. And when you answer the question, if it's a yes, I need you to give me an example.
It just makes me like.
But I want you guys to explain. You have the whole time. You have the whole time. I want you guys to explain your answer.
Okay.
Okay. Never have I ever driven drunk or high on drugs.
She drives drunk all the time.
Oh shit.
That one, she drove us over here.
Okay,
You don't even need an example of that because I'm not incriminating myself. I'm not.
Now, I didn't ask for you to describe her. Chloe, have you ever drinking drunk?
Drinking drunk?
have you ever, what was that? What was
Driven
driven drunk or high? Never in your entire life?
High, yes, drunk, no.
Okay, give me an example. When was that happening?
When I drive high?
Yeah.
The other night.
This bitch didn't even say. This was years ago.
Wow.
When I was younger,
It was,
I didn't know any better. She's gonna say the other night.
Oh, sorry.
It was years ago. I was younger. I didn't know any better.
Look at that, right? Bitch, what your hand doing on the plate?
Man, we take out the chicken, right?
No.
No, nothing at all. You don't use your hand at
Oh, I'm
all.
almost done. It's almost done.
Put on the chicken one. No, I didn't answer right now.
Oh,
Yes, I have.
today.
When?
I don't need to know when. I just need to know what happened. But you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm a good drinker. Have you?
Then you wasn't drunk, bitch.
I was drunk.
So let me tell you my story. I definitely have driven, past tense, drunk. While I was driving, drunk. So, let me tell you what made me realize I need to not do that again. When I was coming from Brooklyn, I gotta tell you the story, Chloe.
What?
I was so drunk. I have no idea how I made it. When I talk about look regular night, I talk about drunk.
All the way back
Okay.
to Jersey?
When I say drunk, me I come from party with enough champagne and pop. Okay, and I gotta come back to Jersey and I look girl.
You went to them bougie Jamaican parties?
I remember some party. At summertime. I was almost home. My exit was right there. I had to pull over, set my alarm for like 15 minutes and close my eyes because I wasn't gonna make it. Oh, Roxanne, good job. Even though you took it off with your fucking hands, but. Hold on a second. Let me just get this piece of rice.
I would never finish eating this one
Right?
piece of chicken.
I can't even get the
Better learn how
biscuit.
to use your mouth, bitch.
Your mouth.
Oh shit, I forgot. Sorry, my bad. Okay, never. This is funny. This one is funny, guys. Never have I ever stolen something that was worth more than $20.
All the time in Walmart. All the time. They gonna catch my ass.
Here's your arm.
Today's my last day stealing from Walmart. Exactly.
No, I definitely have it. Not since I was a teenager.
It says, have you ever? Not recent.
Exactly.
Have you ever?
I just said not since I was a teenager.
What you have done?
Does that what that mean?
But you have.
So let me just say,
But you said that since you're a teenager.
yes.
So what's the point of
What'd you
saying?
say?
The reason I said that was because she was like, because it was
Just say yes, you have.
Hers was recent, you know?
It doesn't matter.
Never have I ever been in handcuffs for any reason at all.
I've been in handcuffs.
I have.
What's the reason?
I was being tied up.
in the bed.
What is that?
No.
What they say?
But police.
For police?
I'm in the bed.
Fake police?
You gotta talk louder.
No, actual police.
We don't have
You been arrested before?
So basically, you say you was arrested?
Yeah.
What were you arrested for?
It wasn't. It was just like a big misunderstanding. You know, like something happening and everybody.
Yeah,
was
what
fine.
happened, bitch?
It was a fight.
And they arrested you?
Everybody.
That's a lot of handcuffs.
Exactly.
How many people was involved?
This was like I was like what 19? Was that in Maryland?
How many people were
Oh,
involved?
them people in Maryland love arrest everybody in Maryland.
There were like 6. It was 2 girls fighting and you know trying to pardon whatever police comes.
You were trying to part?
Yeah. I ain't gonna find nobody. This is a struggle to eat this chicken. Why's your hand in there?
My hand is right here, Red.
Oh.
Oh shit, I'm getting food in my hand.
Scared me. I had to move my hand from off the box.
Okay, don't edit that
This is
out.
some disrespectful shit.
You better not. You better
Some
not.
disrespectful shit.
You
I'm
gonna
gonna
use
let it right on this
chopsticks?
thing.
You save it clean.
Never have I ever went skinny dipping with someone in a hotel pool.
No.
You never did that? What about you, Foxy?
No.
Really?
Actually boring.
You never did it either.
You never did a lot of things.
I'm very surprised.
Have you?
Of course I have.
I have
My cousins went skinny dipping in the
did.
pool in Bali.
In Thailand.
I have a.
That's what I'm saying. All the
I didn't
places you
do
guys
that.
been in, y'all never did that?
No. I have another. I wanted to go skinny dip. We and Roxy were supposed to go skinny dipping in the pool. When we went to Tulum.
It was too cold.
It was cold. Never have I ever had sex on the beach. In broad daylight.
I have.
I have too.
My mother was at the beach too.
What?
I've never did that.
That's crazy. That's crazy. What?
I need to know how this
How?
occurred. Was
Yes,
there people around?
Yeah.
But you were in the water.
Yeah.
This was in the water?
Yeah.
Oh, the water. Well, the
No,
water
I
is
didn't.
different.
Listen,
I thought you meant on the beach, on the sand and shit.
Nah.
so at the beach. You never had sex at the beach?
Nope.
I did.
Alright. Never have I ever went out to dinner somewhere and skipped out on the bill.
I have.
Recently?
What? Who you went with?
My friends.
A female?
We were at the bar. Keep calling the bartender so we could get a bill. He never came, and he clocked out. So we just left too.
Ooh, that's a lucky night.
Sure was.
I'm too I'm afraid that my
Girl, I feel like the same minute I get up talking about I'm walking out the door.
You know, she's funny,
Never have I ever kept up my Christmas tree until the middle of the year.
To the middle of the year. I've never did that.
You call this the middle of the year now.
It's not the middle of the year.
Well, 4
Middle of
months
the year
in.
is 6 months.
Refresh your question.
I'm a freshman.
Nope.
Never have I ever kept up my Christmas tree 4 months past the time.
Yeah, you trying to be a fucking hater?
Oh wow.
See, you making me curse bad. Yeah, but I want to talk a bad word. What are you trying to say?
That your Christmas tree is still up and we're basically in the middle of April.
April done.
Facts.
First of all,
School year done. April
y'all know
done,
that
Christmas
y'all was
done.
supposed to come and take this tree down a long time ago.
Have you?
I don't like the way you asked that question. I don't like the way you asked that question. Let me see, how old was I?
A young
Let me
thought.
see if it's twice the age.
A young thought. That's how old she was. Hot crotch little girl.
Well, it was almost twice my age. said it only counts if he's like a shriveled up old man. Not shriveled up, like, you know, old. Like, you know, like grandpa and shit.
Shriveled.
So y'all never had a grandpa?
No.
You ain't gotta say it like that. What about you, Chloe? No?
You want a sugar daddy?
She's the only one.
I never said sugar.
She's like, no. You're in this boat on your own, girl.
Exactly.
Well,
company.
well, my
Exactly.
man at the time was popping.
She-man.
Okay?
She-man.
He was popping. He was popping. He was a young guy at heart. Don't try to be Miss Goody Goody over here.
Cause we know you are. Cause we know you a hoe.
Exactly.
A hoe.
Hotish.
Like
Hoisha.
Lindell would say, he holds some, she holds some.
Never have I ever called out the wrong name while having sex with someone.
No, but I have to think and make sure that I'm not calling names. I try not to call any names.
I don't call names.
If you call names, it's going to get in trouble.
I don't call names.
No, I definitely didn't do that in
Yes,
during
Daddy.
sex.
Daddy.
When I'm talking to somebody, I said somebody else's name. Yes.
Oh, talking to someone,
yeah, but not during
Not
And
like,
I
I'm talking about your man. Like,
and
you
I
talk to
gotta
your man, you be like, Roger.
Ooh.
And you be like,
Who's Roger? You calling me your ex nigga name?
oh, no. What makes it worse is if you call your ex name and he know that's your ex.
Yep.
That ever happened to you guys?
Yes.
No, Maxie. Damn.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, tell me what happened, bitch.
Listen, I was with my current ex, the last one that I was with, and he could not stand the one who was before him. He hated him. And then we were having a conversation like, I'm like, yeah. He looked at me like,
You just said the whole thing.
no, it came out like the first syllable of the name came out, and he looked at me like, the fuck is, oh sorry, but you can bleep this part up. The fuck you about to call me? And I was like, it was just a mistake. Yeah, alright. And I'm like, damn it. That's
Then they be like, why is his name in your mouth?
exactly.
Y'all
talking
recently?
Y'all talking?
When's the last time you heard from him? You having conversations with him?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Just pour the shit on the shit.
Well, that happened to me before.
But she keep just putting like a little
It was an
tip.
accident. Can I finish my story?
No, the way that you're putting this jelly on this biscuit is
Because it's
pissing
not
me
coming
off.
out good. Look, is
Squeeze
something wrong with it?
Squeeze it. It's expiring. That's what. That's what's wrong with it.
Probably a year ago too.
Facts.
Never have I ever stole something from my place of employment. That should be everybody.
We still work there, so.
It ain't gotta be that place of employment.
Oh, yes. When I was working at Target a million years ago, these people used to buy stuff and forget it. Like, you know, they bought it and then they just like rushed out the store and forgot their one item. Whatever that item was, I used to help myself to take it ass home. That's not wrong. That cough. Have you?
Can I answer the question?
You were dancing and this one was over here singing.
I have.
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Just like a Target situation, yes, I took some stuff home.
Where are you working?
I don't want to say where I was working.
Justice?
You know, somebody that's, some sport wear out. I was saying, you know what? I'm about to start working out real soon, so, let me just, take this home. So, yeah, I have it up to this day, too, still.
From Justice?
Yeah. It was from there. Somebody purchased it from somewhere else and left it there.
This is similar to Target.
Oh, never have I ever eaten moldy bread or some other type of food.
Yes.
That's about to be me and them cucumbers. I was like, maybe if I wash them off.
It was slimy running.
I was like, I can't do it. My stomach ain't that strong no more. Never have I ever farted in a public place and accused someone else of doing it.
I fart in public places all the time.
We all have.
I don't have to blame it.
I never blame nobody.
I don't have to blame anybody.
I just always look at somebody else.
I fart in public places all The time.
Fuck me.
No!
Right on Euganie. Come, girl.
Bitch, don't Wrong one. Wrong one. Like Portia said, wrong one.
I don't have to blame it on anybody. Cause
Well, here's what I did.
I'm a gassy bitch.
It depends how sticky the fart is. So, you know, sometimes you let go the fart and it's like, you never expect it to be so pungent and so strong. You know the ones that stick on you that don't move, like they just stay on your ass.
Silent ones.
So then, you know, you gotta go around somebody now. And you just gotta mingle in. You gotta mingle in. And just look on the...
I keep it moving.
Okay, everybody, so...
And action.
Alright, everybody, so our Popeyes Mukbang is completely done. We're definitely done. I swear, we're not good at this mukbang. We don't eat half the goddamn food I eat.
Me and my one piece of half-eaten chicken.
Well, my 3/4, 1/4. But I ate my chicken. I was not playing. Look at that. You would have swear I used my fingers. Anyway, so this mukbang is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
She's good at using skinny sticks.
Anyways, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you have not already done so. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the notification bell so you can know when I upload a video, which might be once or twice a week. Alright, guys, so
Once a week.
If you're lucky.
a girl works hard over here, okay? It is not
Barely work.
quick to edit these videos, okay?
Barely work.
Anyways, so thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. We're gonna show for you guys out with the Savage Dance.
No, the fuck we're not.
We told you what
Are you doing that?
What you want to do now?
We're gonna shuffle.
Chauffeur.
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 You know that
Chauffeur.
means, you know
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Come on, guys. Can we get the music popping?
Okay.
But I don't know what to do it.
Alright, so you're just gonna have to be like, like Tiny Friend, what's her name? Shaquana. That didn't know that she was going in the background. You want to be her today. Come on, girl, get it together. Why, man? Look up, man. Go sleep good tonight. Me fool. Alright, that's it. We got one take, and that was it. Whether it was good or not.